After a series of thousands of earthquakes, a volcano erupted here in Iceland. I visited quite a few volcanoes during my career, but this is one of the most beautiful. The lava you see here was not here when I came. When I came, there was only one eruption, a beautiful dual cone. 2 days later, a new fissure erupted, and a few days later, another fissure. This is an incredible eruption. You can see the lava just meters behind me. I took my drone out. We did insane aerial shoots, just insane. I'm overwhelmed. I've been in 7 or 8 volcanoes. This is amazing. This is so good. This is on the top of my volcano experience chart, you could say. The drone footage, amazing. You could see both eruptions from the air, which is unbelievable. I took videos, I took still shots of both eruptions. I took the drone and flew it up the lava river. The river binds and gets separated into 4 different streams, which then again combine into one stream, goes and forms a waterfall. This is unbelievable. My mind is actually blown. Look at this. This is actually progressing toward us. It's almost scary, but it's too cool to be scary. Whoa, look at that, look at that! Holy crap. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 over there. This is the most incredible volcanic eruption I've seen by far.